for naming the compounds. So the first formula we are supposed to follow is secondary prefix plus primary prefix plus root word plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Secondary prefix explains us about the particular minor functional group or carbon containing substituents, and primary prefix explains about if the structure is cyclic structure, then you are supposed to give it as cyclo. A root word will be indicating the number of carbon atoms, and primary suffix will explain us about the particular the ane, ene, ine. If it is ane, then you will get a single bond. If it is a ene, then you will be getting as a double bond. If it is a ine, you will be writing it as a triple bond. And for secondary suffix, it is given as that is major functional group. So first and foremost thing is we are supposed to follow the particular formula, that is secondary prefix plus primary prefix plus root word plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. And here root word will be explaining us about the number of carbon atoms. If it is containing the number of carbon atoms, then the root word, what is it? If it is number of carbon atoms is 1, then the root word will be the meth. If it is 2 carbons, then it is known as eth. 3 carbons, prop. 4 carbons, but. 5 carbons, pent. 6 carbons, hex. If it is 7 carbon atoms, then it is known as hept. 8 carbon atoms, oct. 9 carbon atoms, non. 10 carbon atoms, dec. If it is 11, then it is undec, and 12 it is dodec. So these are the particular root words. So what you will be doing is, whenever you have the particular root word, that is for each and every molecule you will have a root word. That is nothing but the number of carbon atoms we have to find out. So this is the particular number of carbon atoms. Now when you are writing the nomenclature, that is the naming the compound, if suppose a molecule is containing carbon chain lengths only, then what are the rules we are supposed to follow? So first always check with the longest carbon chain length. So longest carbon chain length means that is a parent chain. If I am taking an example, here it is containing like this, okay, and this is the particular molecule if I am containing. Now we have to check the longest carbon chain length.